Welcome back, darlings. This week's video, I'm giving you some Christmas present advice for the people in your lives that love to clean and detail their cars and you just don't know what to get them. There's a lot more to it than what's in Halfords. So I'm going to step you through stuff that costs between £15 and £150 that I've tried and tested over many years. Stick around, see what we can get onto. Well, we can start off at the £15 price point. I've actually got more options at this point because you can kind of just bundle them up, but I'm going to start off with one of my favourites. I've got MaxKoMusic Green Star. Now this is an all-purpose cleaner that's dilutable, so it doesn't look like this. This is a decanted bottle I've got from a big bottle. If you buy in 1 litre, which is like this, and it's a nice branding and everything, you will need to also buy a couple of dilution bottles. These ones are great because they've got the dilution rates on the side, so you can measure the quantities against that. You're going to get 2 with 2 different spray heads. The reason you're going to get that is because you use these products at different dilution rates for doing different jobs. However, you're typically using it somewhere between 1 to 20 and 1 to 10. What does that mean? This 1 litre bottle of detergent there that you're going to buy can make up to 20 litres of product. That's a bargain, and it looks pretty generous too. Next up in our £15 segment is a drying towel. Now this is a Pure Star one and it's absolutely fantastic. Just under £15 I think. Twisted loop, super plush, really high GSM, which all just means it's a very, very good towel. You don't have to know that. The person you're getting it for will really appreciate that. So a drying towel like this, you don't want the chamois these days. These are fantastic ways of efficiently and safely drying your car. They'll love you forever for getting one of these. So next up, we've got the CarPro Dab Dab. This is a dual-sided, dual-density wash pad. It's microfiber. It is very, very soft, very durable. I've had a few of these over the last few years. I use a few at a time. They're very, very long-lasting. They're super soft. People will know that these are premium ones. You'll be very much appreciated for getting one of these for the people that you love. The links to this and everything else, by the way, are down in the description, so you don't have to do any of the hard work. Next up, we're going to look at a couple of car shampoos for you. We've got 2 here. You're not going to be able to get both for £15, but you can choose one of them, or if you want, you can get both of them together, which would be more like £25. You've got the Garage Therapy Car Shampoo V3. This is probably the best, nicest to use car shampoo on the market. I think it's fantastic and would recommend it to the house, so you'd be very popular with that. They also do a new one called DMS, which is demineralizing shampoo. Sounds very fancy. Mildly acidic. Don't be put off by that at all. It's not a dangerous product to use. What it does do is if you live in a hard water area, like down south in the UK, it really helps soften up the water there, and it will help prevent water spotting when you're washing, and if there is any water spotting, it might remove some of those during the wash process. It's a super handy product to have. A lot of people won't have tried this already before, so it would be a great gift, this one particularly. Lots of people have a regular car shampoo already, although they're not going to be disappointed if they get that, because a lot of people would have wanted to try it or have already had it and love it. But this one would be a fantastic gift, the DMS. And finally, in my £15 segment, don't get me wrong, there's more that you can buy, but these are the things I think are really useful for people they may not already have. Talking about some cloths. Cloths are very, very important, good quality ones especially. So some microfiber cloths you can buy are these super plush 350 GSM utility towels. These are great for removing waxes and polishes and doing a final buff. You can also get some of these, which are very short nap pearl weave towels. Now these are also very good for leveling ceramics and removing the initial bit of polish residue and or wax residue, and then you buff off again with the super soft one. And then you get one of these. Now this is the Detailers United glass cleaning towel. This is, it may not look like much, this is the best one I've ever used. It is incredible, I recommend it to the house. Now, 3 cloths may not look like much. You're not going to be getting 3 cloths. You're probably going to get 2 or 3 of these, 2 or 3 of these, and 1 or 2 of those. And that will get you to that £15 mark. But that's what you need. You need more than one. So getting a bundle of these together, you might just go with 1 glass cloth and 3 of these and 3 of these. So you get kind of a bigger stack and it will look quite impressive, but also be very much appreciated. Oh, this just in, got some breaking news. 2 extra additions to make to the £15 segment. One of them is Garage Therapy's Sigma V3. I've just completed some testing on this. It is phenomenal. It's a spray sealant. It goes on incredibly easy. It comes off incredibly easy. It lasts for up to 6 months when it's done dry. If you watch my video here, you'll be able to see that I put it on as a wet application and it lasted about 4 months. And That's an incredible product. That's under £15, I think, at the time of producing, or if not, it's very much around that mark. And the other thing over here is MaxKoMusic FSE. This is a quick detailer with some very gentle descaling properties, which means if you're getting water spots during your drying process, spray a bit of this on when you're doing it, and it gets rid of all of those. Adds a little bit of gloss, doesn't really add any protection, but it's there mainly as a drying aid and removal of these mineral deposits that you've put on during the wash process. You get a litre, you don't use much, it is phenomenal. So these two additions into the £15 segment are down below as well. But yeah, you won't be hard done by with these. Okay, now we're stepping up to the £30 sort of mark. This can get you quite a bit more. So you can either bundle together a group of the things from the £15 bit to make a more generous looking package, or you can step up and buy some more expensive products and items. So for this one, if you know they've got a pressure washer and they don't have a snow foam lance already, then I would suggest getting a snow foam lance. It won't be this one. This is sillily expensive for what it is, and it's not very good considering. However, I've got a link down below to a cheap snow foam lance that is actually incredibly effective and will go really well. You need to know what make pressure washer they've got. Now, you might think, oh, how do I do that without telling them that's what I'm getting them? It's quite easy. Just go, yeah, I need to do my patio, but I was looking at getting a pressure washer. Well, what one have you got? Just ask them that. They'll tell you what they've got. Then you can work it out for yourself, and if you're not sure, just ask down in the comments and I'll help you, point you in the right direction as to which product you actually need. However, that would work very well. If you've got your snow foam lance, if they've got one already, that's cool. You can just go for the snow foam product here, which I'm going for Built a Hammer Touchless. Now, this is, I think it's £10, or just under £10 for a litre. You can buy it in 5 litres as well, so you might go, actually, well, if they've already got the foam cannon, I'll just buy them the 5 litre one because they'll really appreciate it anyway. If not, you can get a 1 litre one. That will probably get you somewhere between 5 and 10 washes out of that 1 litre, which is very good. It will get them into that product as well, see if they like it. It is fantastic. It's probably one of the best pre-wash products on the market. So, but the foam cannon is about £20, the one I'm linking to, and you put that in with it as well. Now, if they don't have a pressure washer, or you're not sure, and you don't want to give the game away, you don't have to have the foam cannon. So you can use this with a pump sprayer. So again, this is a 1.5 litre pump sprayer. You see IK sprayers everywhere these days, but these old Quasar Venus are absolutely amazing. They've been on the market for ages. They're used in a lot of different industries, and with the 360 seals, which means they can just take a lot of different chemicals without being degraded, they're pretty much unstoppable. So there's a link to that down below as well. That paired up with that, brilliant, great solution. Next up, we're talking about wheel cleaning. Now, you've got to assume people have got various different wheel cleaning products. There are great ones on the market. However, I'm going to talk to you about the brushes and the things you use to actually clean the wheels with. The Easy Detail brush is still easily one of the best things you could ever buy for cleaning the wheels. Big, soft, deforms nicely. There's not much better on the market than this, especially at the price point. But this is very good in the barrels, not so good on the faces of the wheels. And what you use there is a little microfiber mitt. Goes over your hand, you can get into little tight spaces, do the spoke faces and stuff like that. Much easier than using a brush. So this in the barrels and on some really stubborn stuff, this on the faces. Combined, about £30. That's a bargain. And finally, in the £30 segment, I've been saving the best to last. You get the Infinity Wax Incinerate V2, which is probably one of the best wheel cleaners you can buy on the market, alkaline ones especially. And this 500ml bottle, you typically use it at 1 to 10, so it's dilutable to make 5 litres from 500ml. So that's incredibly good value for money. You can step it down from there. You can use it 1 to 5, 1 to 4, neat if they're really, really bad, but I've only come across one set of wheels ever that I've needed to use it neat. Shows you how good it is. It also is a very good tyre cleaner, so you get kind of 2 products in one there. Because it's dilutable, again, you want a dilution bottle with a trigger, so that's included. And then you've cleaned your tyres and wheels, but you want them to look really fresh afterwards, and the best thing to do that is a tyre dressing. You're going to need an applicator block, so one of those will be included. You also need a good tyre dressing. Now in this case, I'm going to suggest Garage Therapy tyre serum. I've actually got tyre serum in a different bottle here because I like the pump dispenser. That's just personal preference. But tyre serum is an incredibly good satin looking tyre dressing. Probably the best on the market. It makes the tyres look brand new rather than dressed. So that is my final £30 pick. Now let's get on to the £60 and up, shall we? Okay, first up then, in my £60 segment, we've got these. Now you can notice this is a picture rather than me pointing at them. These are wheel woolies. And there's a reason why they're conspicuous by their absence. I've used other people's and I think they're fantastic. They are really, really good, but they're quite expensive for a set and I've never bothered to pull the trigger on them. And now I'm thinking I should be asking for these for Christmas myself because they are brilliant. They are really good. They're very soft. You get a variety of different sizes in the pack. They don't really scratch your wheels. So if you've got gloss black wheels, particularly where it's visible, these are fantastic for that. Much flexibility. They're incredibly durable. There are a lot of knockoff ones on the market that look very similar. They do not last. These are the genuine article. They are well worth the money, to the point that I am actually going to go buy myself some if I don't get them for Christmas. There you go. And then the other option I've got is £60. And don't get me wrong, you think there should be loads of options at 60. There are, there just aren't those that I would advise you to give as a gift. Some of them are so specialist at this point, like ceramic coatings and things, that someone should ask specifically for that item rather than you guessing. However, this is something that would go down well. It's a set from CarPro, which has a brilliant shampoo in Reset, a wash mitt and a towel. This is a nice presentation box. Is it worth the money? Yeah, I think it is. They're good products. They're really well made. And again, my wash mitt on its own, the Dab Dab, is CarPro, and I think they make fantastic products and pieces of equipment. So this, if you wanted a nice all-in-one presentation box, which you didn't have to think about, this would be what I go for. So now we're up to about the £100 mark. So this is serious money for a serious present. And because of that, the first thing we're going to look at is the new DA9. The DA9 is the replacement to the ever-popular DA8 in Inter Detailing's polishing lineup. This is just under £100, and for that you get a hell of a lot of polishing machine. So it's actually come down in price a little bit, and I want to bring out something to your attention first before we go any further. The DA8 has been superseded by the DA9 now at Inter Detailing. You can get the DA8 in a different dress at Clean Your Car called the Dash 6 Pro Plus V2. Bit of a mouthful. It's exactly the same as the DA8, which used to retail for 108. They're retailing for almost 130, and this is for under 100, and this is a better machine. Only a little bit better, but it is better in every way, and it costs less. So you do the maths on that one. Let me get into the machine a bit more. Where you could spend £50, £60 for a cheap polisher, you're paying almost 100 here, and you get a lot more. So the cheap polishers will get you started, but won't really get you that far. If you spend a little bit more, relatively, you get to this. So you often go from those cheap polishers, you'd upgrade to something like this before going up onto the very professional ones, which are Rupes and Flex, and they cost somewhere around the £400 plus mark. That's a lot of money. Really, with these, the next step on from these is those £400 plus ones. So at £100, you're doing really, really well. You get a polishing machine that's got a 5-inch backing plate, which means you use that for the big areas, and you get a 3-inch balanced counterweight plate, which means you can do some of the tight nadgery stuff around on the bumpers and things like that. It's a truly all-in-one machine, and it's incredibly flexible. So that's just under £100. You can't go far wrong. If you've got a little bit more to spend, of course you could get that with a few of the other products that I've listed already, or if you want to focus purely on the polishing side of things, you could get that, and you can get a couple of pads and some polish to go with it. So I would recommend these Visa Thermo Blues. So I'm putting some links down to those, to the right size pads as well, because the sizing is a bit weirdly explained, but I'm putting the links to the 5-inch and the 3-inch pads down below, along with the Visa Medium Cut Polish, which is a great all-in-one, suitable for nearly every paint type. If they've got a Japanese car, I would also link down to there to the Fine Cut Polish, and I would go with that. You'll know what car they have. But if you've got any questions, just ask me. That's absolutely fine. Thank you very much for watching. Hopefully this has been useful for you, and if you're looking at this from the perspective of someone buying someone some gifts, hope it's helped you out. If you're a detailer looking to give someone some gift ideas, send it around. Any questions on any queries on anything, ask me down in the comments and I'll be sure to help you out. Have a wonderful Christmas, and I'll see you around.